Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. And now come back with me again. I am Siti Nurul Mukarramatul Badriyah Al Munawwaratul Masrurah. You can call me Nurul. I am from UPBJ UT Surabaya and Prodi PGSD. Now I have assigned for to discussion sheet lesson English. Make a video local transportation and giving direction. Part 1, local transportation and giving direction. Zia, excuse me, miss, can you help me? I am looking for the BNI Bank here in Kalitidu. Nurul, sure, I can help you. Do you mean Bank BNI Kalitidu? Yes. Zia, yes, that's be the ones. I need to withdraw some money. Nurul, alright, there are a few ways to get there. Are you walking or using transportation? Zia, I do not have a car, so maybe public transportation. Nurul, in Kalitidu we usually use ojek or elf. You can also rent a bike if you want to enjoy the scenery. Zia, ojek's recommended is good, but is it far? Not too far. If you are walking, it will take around 10 until 15 minutes. Would you like walking direction? Zia, yes, please. Nurul, okay, from here, just go straight along the main road, Jalan Raya Kalitidu. After about 500 meters, you will see the Kalitidu Market on your right. Kalitidu, Zia, Kalitidu Market, got it? Nurul, after that, keep going straight, and when you see SPBU Kalitidu, you turn left the Bank BNI in about 100 meters from there. On the right side, just next to the post office. Zia, that sounds easy. Is there any sign? Nurul, yes, there is a clear BNI sign on orange, and it is right across from Alun-Alun Kalitidu. Zia, perfect. If I want to take an ojek, where can I get one? Nurul, you can find ojek drive near the market, or you can use the Gojek application if you have mobile data. Yes, Zia, yes, thank you so much. I will try walking. The direction is very clear. Nurul, you are welcome. Be careful crossing the street. It is sometimes poisonous near the market. Zia, will do. Have a great day. Okay, thank you. Finish I am conversation in part 1, and then now I want to introduce conversation again with part 2 about out of town transportation. Part 2, out of town transportation. Zia and Nurul. Nurul, a student who just returned to her hometown in Kalitidu? Zia. Nurul, old friend who often travel between cities. Nurul. Zia, what intercity transportation is available in Kalitidu now? I used to have a hard time going to Bojonegoro or Surabaya. No, Zia, no, it is pretty good. There are several options. The most common are intercity bus travel and trains. Just adjust it to your needs and budget. Nurul. Oh yeah, I am serious about trains. Are there any that still pass through Kalitidu? Zia. Yes, Kalitidu station is passed by local trains such as the Bojonegoro KRD train, which run the Bojonegoro until Surabaya route. The tickets are cheap, only around just 10,000 until 15,000. The schedule is also quite regular, several times a day. Nurul. It is also cheap. But if you want to go to direction to another city like Madiun or Semarang, Zia. Well, for that, people usually take an intercity bus from Bojonegoro terminal. From Kalitidu to the terminal, you can take a motorcycle taxi or village transportation. Many AKBD or AKA buses pass through there. The price depends on the destination. For example, to Surabaya around 40,000 until 60,000 depending on the bus. Nurul. What about a travel? Zia. Travel is suitable for those who want to be picked up and dropped off directly at home, usually using a Hitch or Avanza car. The price is more expensive, around until 100,000 to Surabaya. But it is more comfortable and you do not need to change place. Nurul. Wow, so it's dependent on your property. If you want something cheap, you can take a train or bus. If you want something practical, you can take a travel. Zia, alright. And the good thing is no information about schedule can be taken online or asked via to a travel again. Nurul. Great. Thanks for the information, Zia. I can use it to go back to Surabaya later. Thank you. You're welcome. And then now I am finished in a conversation part 1 and part 2 about part 1 is local transportation and giving direction, and the next part 2 out of towns transportation. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.